Magandang araw sa lahat. No? Ngayon po ay October 20, 2020. No? So, malapit na po yung Pasko. Okay? And sa mga nasa Pilipinas, it's already 1 o'clock in the morning. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. And today we will check the PCI. Ano po yung price action ni PCI today? Tumataas pa kaya si Philippine Stock Exchange Index o bumababa ba? Thank you for watching Idol Range Guy Officials. Thank you po sa pagbisita. So today, we will check the PCI. Okay, let's go to the PCI chart. Tumataas kaya si PCI ngayon or bumababa ba si market? Now, this is the chart of Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Ngayon po ay yung araw ay tumataas si PCI ng 1.55%. So let us see kung saan na yung resistance. This is the price action chart. So kung magawa tayo ng resistance area, somewhere this area, there is a resistance. So it means there is a seller na nag-aabang dito na area sa may yellow line. So take note in the stock market, resistance, the seller is there, they are waiting there. And the support, the buyer is always buy the shares below in the support area. Now we see there is a resistance now. We will see tomorrow if PCI will continue going up. And if in case PCI ay mauuntog po dito sa may yellow line, we will see the retracement of PCI somewhere this area. But maybe 100. So we will see tomorrow if PCI will continue going up. But if not, there's a possibility that they will go retracement again. Today, the foreign ceiling is 718.04 million. So still, they are continue selling their share, the foreign investors. So we will see tomorrow if we can break the resistance above. So if not, we will go back again and we will retrace. And we will watch in the ME 100 area. May bounce again. So thank you for watching OFW Dreamers Vlog. Thank you. Now let us going back to the screener. But before that, we will review first the stock yesterday, the one we discussed yesterday. Kung nasaan na yung mga stock na yan, kung tumama ba tayo sa ating mga analysis or not. So yesterday, we checked the AB. Ito po yung nagsisiling last Friday. Yung price ay tumataas And ngayon ay nag-down. So our prediction is correct because yesterday the price is not opening above the 20%. So it means that there is a loss of momentum. Now we see EB is going down by 21.66%. So in the stock market, we are always watch the support area. Hindi natin kailangan habulin yung presyo pag tumataas. Kasi pag bumababa yung presyo, siyempre maiiwan tayo doon sa taas. And then, we will wait for another time kung kailan babalik yung presyo sa taas kung saan ninyo nabili yung stock, yung shares. So, we need to wait to my retracement and then this is the time we need to watch kung may buy bounce doon sa support area. Okay? In the stock market, buy low, sell high. Okay? Bibilhin niyo sa baba na presyo, and then if the price is going up, then take profit, sell yung iba ibenta niyo or it's depending niyo kung ibenta niyo half. So, need to take profit. Kung nabili niyo sa baba, then buy, sell it in the highest price. Shout out OFW Dreamers Blog and Ringsky Official. Now, let's go to the other stock that we checked yesterday, ASIC. So if you see ASIC, again today is down by 3.38%. So now let us watch ASIC if we will bounce in this yellow line. Okay? But now, still, wala pa tayong nakita na bounce for ASIC. Now, ECR. Yesterday, we took ECR. Again, still, I did not break this yellow line. So it's going sideways. We'll see Bloom. Si Bloomberry. So, Bloomberry ay bumababa ngayon, no? Parent ceiling ay 29.43. So we'll expect Bloomberry is going to this yellow line. So we will see tomorrow. Wait in this yellow line, the support area. We will check if there is an opportunity on this area. Okay, next one is CHP. CHP, we checked it yesterday. Kailangan na mag-hold si CHP dito sa my yellow line, this inclined resistance support. But CHP ay na-break na yung resistance ngayon, support. So we will see tomorrow if CHP will going back here, and this is the time we need to watch. If not, we will watch again in the support area down. Okay, next one is Swiss Bank. Si Swiss Bank ay nasa resistance ngayon, no? We will see if he will continue going up. Kung ma-break niya tuloy-tuloy yung resistance nasa taas. So if not, it will be going to the support below. Maybe in the AME 200 and AME 20. We will watch every time the price is going AME 20. Shout out to my colleague, Engineer Edwin Belan. Thank you for watching. Now, let us continue. We will check the food. Si food po ay ngayong araw wala pong trade. Mayroong trade si food ngayon. Bumaba siya ng 3.8%. Okay, wala po si food ngayon. IDC. Si IDC, ito mataas yung presyo nung nakaraang linggo. Now, he is retracing. So, our prediction is now correct. So, we will see if we will going back to ME 200. This is green line. Okay, next one is si Mary Mart. Si Mary Mart, as we checked it yesterday, we need to check if Mary Mart ay mag-bounce dito sa may yellow line kung maritis na itong support, but Mary Mart ay hindi niya na-retest yung support. So now what we see, we need to see back on this incline support. Tingnan natin dito sa may incline support kung mag-bounce si Mary Mart. Okay? Now, let's go now to the screener. Okay? Tingnan natin yung screener. Importante po yung screener para ma-screen natin yung mga companies. Kasi in the stock market, there are a lot of companies around more or less 278 or 279 companies. And we cannot take it all. It's too much companies. So, but that is the reason why we have a screener. OFW dreamers, if you want to invest in the stock market, you just apply yung account in the broker. Marami po tayong broker din sa stock market. And there are some broker there ay online. So, pwede kayo makabili ng stock through online. Okay, during trading days, no? You can buy shares sa mga companies na nasa Philippine stock market like Jollibee, yung mga blue chip companies, yung matatag na kumpanya, nandyan po lahat. Yung mga Globe, PLDT, nandyan po sila lahat. So, if you want to invest, you just apply an account to a broker, and then if the broker will approve yung account niyo, then you put your capital or your money there, even 1,000, you can open account in the Philippine stock market. And then kung ma-approve yan, you can start trading in the stock market. You can start buying shares in the companies, and you can look for companies na may potential na tumataas. And this is that companies you need to focus, and you buy it in the low price, sell it in the high price. So ganyan lang po sa Philippine stock market. But there is a risk also. That's why we are studying the technical analysis. We are studying support and resistance. If we talk about resistance, nandiyan po yung mga buyers naghihintay. That's why yung price ay hindi po makaangat sa taas dahil pagdating sa area na yan, nandiyan yung mga seller, sila po ang magbibinta ng mga shares nila. Especially nakabili sila sa baba, and then they will sell it in that area. Yan po ang tinatawag na resistance. Now, if the price is going back to the support, nandiyan naman yung mga buyers nag-aantay. Kung mag-hold yung support, and there's a possibility na mag-angat ulit, then we can buy. And then if going up, how many percent you can sell it. But if in case the support is broken, you need to cut immediately because we don't know where the price is going down. Maybe mag-down pa siya ng tuloy-tuloy or konti lang ba yung down, we don't know. But this is the reason why we are here in the stock market every day. We are checking the price action of its companies so that we can see what companies na maganda po na pasukin yung good entry, no? So this is why we are reviewing the stock market every day. So yun lang po, can invest in the stock market through brokers. Kasi yung brokers po, yun po ang mag-access ng account nyo. Siya po yung, ibig sabihin parang gateway na makapasok kayo sa stock market. And then if your account, as I said, approved, you can start now buying shares in the stock market. There are a lot of companies there. So now, let's go to the screener. I will share to you the screeners kung ano po yung mga companies na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So we will see kung ano yung mga company na yan dahil may potential po na tumataas yung price. 80, 60 to 70% na tumuloy yung price pataas. So that's why we are focusing on the stock na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So I will share to you the screener. So itong screener ay napaka-importante po ito para ma-screen natin yung stock, ma-minimize natin yung pag-check ng lahat ng mga companies. So ito po yung purpose nito. So now I will share it now. The screener. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga stock na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. Kasi humina po yung ano natin. So, humina po yung chart, yung screener. Okay, let us wait. Humina po yung ano natin, ha? So, hintayin na natin muna, sandali. Hindi magbukas yung chart. Natin hintayin lang kasi nawala yung ano naghang po. Nawala. Hindi nag-response yung ano natin, yung screener. Screener. Hintayin lang natin muna. Hindi nag-view yung screener. Ano nangyari? Natin. hindi yung screener. Ah, bumalik na yung pong ano natin, no? Pasensya na. Nawala yung ah, screener. Now, I will continue. We'll check the screener. With W Dreamers, hindi naman po siya mahirap. But the important, uh, we need to study. Kaya ngayon, yung screener po ay importante. So now, let's continue to the screener. I will share to you the screener. So ito po yung screener ngayon. Tugo ay pumasok si Tugo, si AB. Ito yung nagsisiling, nandito pa rin yung mga companies na tumataas na nung nakarang mga linggo. LIHC, yung Ayala Logistic, Axilum, yung Benguet Corporation. May bago po tayong nandito yung Swiss Bank, Emperador, EEI, FGen, Green, Ginebra San Miguel, IDC, Jollibee. Si Jollibee ngayon ay tumaas. Tingnan natin si Jollibee. Si Gigi Summit, si Meralco, nandito rin. Si Now Corporation, si PAL ay pumasok ngayong araw sa screener. And PNB, dito si PNX, RRHI, at saka WIN, yung mga bagong pumasok ngayon. So itong companies na ito ay yung mga prices ay nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So we cannot check it all kasi yung dami po nito. So we'll see for only sa mga companies na may maganda yung price action. No? So now let's going back first to the chart. We will check JFC, Jollibee. We will see LIHC, MEH, Meralco, Philippine National Bank, and San Miguel Corporation, and MEG. So we will check this stock. So we're going back to the chart. So yung broker po, OFW Dreamers ay Cool Financial po. So, but there are a lot of brokers there we can apply. But I think now for Financial, I think 1,000 pesos the opening. So you can open there, and if ma-approve, then you can buy. You can start buying shares in the Philippine stock market. So simple lang, ganyan lang po kasimple, madali lang. Mag-invest sa investing in stock market, it does not mean na kailangan na marami tayong pera diyan. The important is ma-approve yung uh, account natin sa broker para makapagsimula tayo ng uh, buying and selling shares in the Philippine stock market. Madali lang to, we will help each other about how to enter in the stock market. We will check the price action. So, kaya po ganito yung ginawa natin na everyday para ma-check natin yung companies na may potential na umangat. So now let's go to the chart. So we're going back to the chart. And thank you very much for to the Instagram platform. So we are using Instagram. Now, we will check Jollibee. Tingnan natin si Jollibee ngayon kasi tumataas si Jollibee. Ngayon po yung starting ng only 1,000 pesos for the new. And requirements, may mga requirements sila. And then, pagkatapos nun, i-approve nila. And then there's an interview. And then, kung okay, pumasa, then they will give you account. And yung account na yan, yun lang po yung palaging lagyan ninyo ng capital. Kung gusto niyo na dagdagan yung capital, doon lang ipasok niyo sa account na binigay sa inyo ng broker. And then kung gusto din niyo na i-review, retrieve yung money, then the broker will transfer your money to your personal account. So, ganyan lang po. Madali lang po yan na important. And then, ma-approve yung account niyo. So, then you can start. Pwede niyo dagdagan kung gusto niyo na mag-invest lang for long term. Kung 5 years or 3 years. So, bili ng share like Jollibee. There's a lot of companies there. And then you can buy it every month. So it's up to you. If the market is down, the price is down, it's the time you will participate. And in the long run, if the price is going up, then you gain po. Mag-gain po kayo sa stock market. And then there's also companies na magbigay ng dividend. So another additional income if the companies is giving dividend. So we'll wait the chart to start. Again, there's a problem with this chart. So let us wait a while. Kung bumili tayo ng stock, it's depend kung may mga stock na tumataas, then you can buy that stock, that share. But kung wala tayong makita na stock na companies na may potential na tumaas, then we just hold. We'll put our money there in the account. Kung wala pa tayong makita na mga companies na tumataas. Pero kung makakita natin ng companies na tumataas, then you can buy. Kung tumataas siya. Pero kung wala, so huwag muna kasi kung mag-aantay tayo diyan, matagal po, no? So it's better we will buy in the timing, yung timing na time. So like Jollibee, now the chart is going back. So I will share it to you first the Jollibee. So yung Jollibee ay tumataas sa since yesterday, no? Tumataas si Jollibee. Ngayon, tingnan natin kung ilan ang angat ni Jollibee. So, JFC, ito po yung symbol ng Jollibee. Jollibee Food Corporation. Ang Jollibee ay umabot na siya ng 300, no? Last 2018, umabot na siya ng 300 because of the problem with the coronavirus. So, nag-down po yung mostly yung lahat ng mga stock, no? But now, we're starting to recover since March, no? Bima po yung natin dito. Yung chart. Hindi po mag-view yung chart. Nangyari sa chart na yun. Jollibee. Hindi ko makita. Refresh muna natin yung chart. Hintayin lang natin muna. I-refresh ulit natin. Nag-hang po yung chart. So, sana magbukas na yung chart. Mahina po yung chart ngayon, nag-hang. Pinabukas na. But there are also another way of investing in the stock market. Yun po yung tinatawag na mutual fund. Yung mutual fund po, may fund manager po sila. May mga companies din, mga big companies sa mutual fund. And you will buy also share. And then, may mga manager sila doon, fund manager. And then, kung tumaas yung price in the long run, pwede rin ninyo ibenta, no? Makakuha rin tayo ng gain doon. Meron po akong mutual funding. So now the chart is opening. We will see our first stock here is Jollibee. Jollibee po ay nag-down last March because of the COVID-19, no? And he start to recover kasi mga matatab na companies po ito na sa tawag nila tayo blue chip companies. There are 30 companies in the Philippine stock market. Ito po yung nagdadala ng sa Philippine stock market, PCI. Okay, now the chart is going back. So I will share to you Jollibee. The first stock is Jollibee Corporation. So we'll go to Jollibee. Jollibee Corporation. Natin yung JFC. Okay, nandito na yung chart ng Jollibee, JFC. Now, last March, Jollibee is going down and we recover, going up. So, nauntog yung presyo dito. It means nandito yung mga seller nag-aabang. So, we called as resistant. And then, going back and nag-bounce po dito. It means this area is the support area. So, nandito po yung mga buyer nag-aabang. And then, there's a swing. It's going up again to this line. Again, the seller is there. Price is going down. And then here, nag-down yung presyo. And we know that the buyer is here in the support area. So in this area, the price is again going up. But the price ay hindi na nag-touch dito sa may pinaka-upper resistant line. So it means on that time, Jollibee momentum is losing. So we need to watch what happened. They break the support and then going back again. But last August, in our review, we need to watch JFC on this area. Okay? And last week, pumatong po si JFC on this line. So this is the time we need to position in this area. And now, yesterday and today, Jollibee ay umangat dito sa may support is going up by 19% or almost 20% from this support line. So, yun po ang purpose bakit tayo tumitingin sa technical chart. Kasi para makita natin kung aggressive ba yung buyer o yung seller. Na-break na yung support, yung client support, then bumalik sa taas, it means the buyer is aggressive. And we know already that this line, this is the line we need to watch if Jollibee will going up. So, umangat sa ditong location last October 13. And it going continue sideways. And hindi na siya bumaba. So, this is the time we need to position in this area. So now it's going up by almost 20%. In how many days only? There are 6 days. Now, if you buy here in this area, going to this support, resistance only 11%. And we don't know if it will continue down. Kasi yung price action, hindi pa natin makikita na ang buyer ay aggressive. So, bakit tayo pumasok diyan na hindi pa tayo sigurado? So, for me, in my own analysis, I am not recommending any stock to buy, but for my analysis, I will use chart pattern. Kung ano na po yung price action, kung ano po ang ibig sabihin sa price, kung ano nang galaw ng price. So, last August, as I said in the review, I will watch JFC on this area. So, ngayon tumataas si JFC, only 6 days. But kung dito ka bumili, only 11%, and you're waiting more than 1 month. So, for me, I will see on this area. So now, what we do for Jollibee, si Jollibee, kung tingnan natin yung RSI, it's 84 already. So it's overbought. So kung overbought na, you need to avoid buying this stock in an overbought condition. Kasi there is a possibility na mag-retrace yung stock price. So dito, nauntog po siya dito na area. So we need to say if there's a retracement of Jollibee, and this is the time we need to watch again the price action of Jollibee. Kung hindi siya mag-continue bukas, it means kung mauntog siya dito, it means this is a resistant area because nauntog na po siya dito kanina. But there is a foreign buying of 251.68 million. So we will see kung mag-continue siya dito, it's good. But take note, the RSI now is in overbought condition. So, pag ang stock ay nasa overbought condition, there is a possibility that he will going to retrace. Kung may retracement na mangyayari, this is the time we need to see and we need to watch kung mag-bounce siya sa support area. But for now, for me, I will avoid buying in this stock because it is an overbought. Pero kung may position kayo dito, nakabili kayo sa baba, then hold your position and we will see tomorrow kung mauntog din sa may resistance, then you can take some of your profit. But for me, I will wait for a retracement kung wala pa kayong position. So next one is LIHC. Ito si LIHC ay nagsa sideway, no? How many months this LIHC is going sideways? Now we see the chart of LIHC. Nandito sa may support, no? Palagi niyang nauuntog din sa may support area, no? So it means the seller is there. So if ever na ma-break na itong resistance, there's a possibility that LIHC will going up. So we need to monitor LIHC because since August, now October, August, September, October, November, not going to November, again, he is going sideways. Pag ma-break itong resistance yellow line, there's a possibility that LIHC will going back again. So we need to watch if there is a breakout on the resistance area for LIHC. So now it's going to MEH. Si MEH, kung tingnan natin si MEH, last May, tumataas po yung presyo, no? Galing sa 1.48, tumaas almost more than 3 pesos. And then he is going retracement. And then now he's going back here. But now I see something with MEH that there is a loss of momentum of MEH. So we need to watch MEH. If these moving averages will hold, or is this yellow line will hold, now there's a possibility that it will bounce. But for me, I saw some weakness of the price action. Based on the price action, mayroon pong loss of momentum na nangyari sa MEH. Unless na si MEH ay mag-close above 1.9 tomorrow, or yes, 1.9, above 1.9. But if ever ay mag-close siya below sa 185, we will expect that MEH will going back to this area. Okay? Kasi humina po yung momentum ni MEH. If we see the RSI, MACD is still below the signal line. So we'll wait another opportunity for MEH. Kung mag-close tomorrow above 1.9, MEH good. There's a fighting, there's a chance. Huh? But if ever he will close below 185, so we'll expect MEH will going back downward. So now let's going to Meralco. Si Meralco ay isa po itong blue chip companies, no? It is listed in the Philippine stock market, Philippine Stock Exchange Index. But ngayon po ay may paring ceiling na 10.58 million. So kung tingnan natin sa price action, si Meralco ay nag-create ng resistance on this area. And we will see if there is a retracement going back to AMA 200 or AMA 20. So we need to watch these two moving averages, the green line, which is the AMA 200, and the blue line is AMA 20. So kung tingnan natin yung if we will draw another inclined support from this line going to this line, okay? So malayo pa, oh. So we need to watch Meralco kung sideways siya dito sa baba. So for now, still there's no buying opportunity for Meralco. Now we'll going to PNB, Philippine National Bank. Si Philippine National Bank ay tumataas ngayon ng 9%. As you remember, last week, mayroon po tayong review about Philippine National Bank. So, as I analyzed this one last week, if the price will hold in this area, we can try and we can buy. But in case the price will going down, then you go exit. So nakita natin dito sideways yung Metro Bank, PNB, and now PNB is breaking the resistance area. So we will see tomorrow if we will continue. We will see the ADX above 52, and MACD is now closing up. So we'll see tomorrow if there is a continuation. If there is a continuation, we will see if there is a pullback for PNB. So because if you buy it now, it's around 11%, no? So kung magre-retrace siya bukas, we don't know kung bumalik siya dito sa may below sa yellow line, and then you lose how many percent, no? We will wait for another opportunity for PNB. But this is the time, as I said last week, this is the time we need to position, because if we see the overall price action of PNB, the buyer is here now. The buyer is going in there and retrace, and now the price is not going down. So it means the buyer is here. So we'll see tomorrow kung mag-continue siya. And then we need to watch for another fallback of PNB. Now let's going to San Miguel Corporation. San Miguel Corporation po ay still in a sideway movement until now. So we need to watch. For me, I will wait PNB kung break na itong resistance dito. Kung may pullback, no? Kung maglalaro si San Miguel Corporation in this area, going up, and then there's a pullback, this is the time we need to watch San Miguel Corporation. So, but for now, hindi pa natin ma-sure kasi baka bumalik siya dito sa ilalim. But if ever he will going up and then there's a pullback, this is the time we need to watch San Miguel Corporation. So, the last one is MEG World. Si MEG World, tingnan natin si MEG World. Ngayon po ay may parent ceiling of 11.25 million. The momentum of MEG World is still continue going down. So, wala pa tayong buying signal of MEG World today. No? So, we will watch if MEG World will going up above ME 100. We will check. But for now, wala pa tayong magandang entry for MEG World. We will see the MACD. MACD is going up, but it's below the zero line. And the EDX is below 25. So it is going sideways. So yung EDX natin ngayon ay nasa 13 lang. So we need to see MEG World kung umaangat sa dito sa above this line. Tingnan natin kung umangat si MEG World. But for now, tingnan natin yung resistance. Mag-draw tayo ng resistance dito. So we need the MEG World, no? To going up above ME 100 or this zero line. So we need to watch in this area. But in case hindi siya tumaas, then just hold, no? Kasi nag-sideway lang siya dito, baka mag-sideway lang, no? So we'll see kung umangat siya dito na area. So but for now, for me, still there's no buying opportunity for MEG World unless we're going up to this yellow line above. So that's all for today. Sorry for some delayed because yung chart po natin ay hindi po nag-lag po yung chart. So I hope you learn something about this discussion. And if you have question, just comment your question below. And if you have stock need to check and put your comments and we will see it. So once again, thank you to the viewers. Rins Gaze Official, thank you for watching. OFW Dreamers Blog, thank you. Engineer Edwin Villan. And shout out to my colleague also, Engineer Edwin Vergara and Engineer Enrique Lamontad. So that's it, and God bless us all. Thank you.